Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akib and I'm a freelance web developer. So in today's video, I will guide you how you can make your second domain as a primary domain on the GoDaddy hosting. So that's very simple. Go in your products, then click on products, then go here, web hosting. Right now you can see this is the primary domain. I have to link this domain with my hosting. So click on the manage. So now it will load the settings page for the hosting. All right, so this is a settings page. Right now you can see this is a primary domain. So now on the right side bar you see that this settings bar, the first here primary domain, click on change. Now it will open a pop-up and it will list all those domains those are available on your hosting. Choose the domain. Do you want to make it a primary? Right now I have only one domain, so I will click on continue. So now it will take some time. After that it will refresh the page and it will make this domain as a primary domain. All right, so you can see domain has primary. Now this domain is linked with the hosting. So thanks for watching with this video and see you. Bye for next time. Thank you.